Welcome to our room here at the Courtyard Marriott in Titusville, which is across from the Space Center, where we just saw a rocket launch. Woo! So we got here just in time, which is awesome. So we like coming to stay here because of the free charging they have for our cars, as well as it's a cool themed place and a cool room. So here's just your standard bathroom with shower. It does come with shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Is this the body wash that was like constantly soapy? Yeah. Last time we had a weird experience with it because it just felt like it was never washing off, and you would just go like this and just suds would appear, and you'd rinse your hands and do this under the water, and then suds would appear. Anyways, come try it out for yourself. It's pretty cool. So we did a king bedroom. They have this really awesome mural on the wall, which is pretty cool for space. In the corner, we've got this little astronaut guy. We'll have to show you what he looks like when it's dark in here, but he projects like different planetary constellations things on the ceiling, but he's pretty cool. I think you can find him on Amazon. This I think also pulls out into a bed, I guess a single sleeper, and then in here got our little refrigerator, microwave, ice bucket, and glasses. So it's a cute place to stay, very convenient if you're going to the Space Center or you want to come see an awesome launch upstairs at the Space Bar. I'll show you the Space Bar later because we're going to go there tonight.